Friends of the Rinjani forest. At the foot of the towering Mount Rinjani lies a small village called Daramata. This village boasts captivating beauty, sprawling green meadows, towering giant trees, and clear flowing rivers, bearing silent witness to the harmonious coexistence of humans and nature. Here, the Timor deer, an iconic animal that symbolizes the pride of West Nusa Tenggara, thrives and reproduces. Among the villagers was a boy named Aruna, known for his love of nature. Every morning he spent time in the forest observing birds, collecting wildflowers, and sometimes waiting for the graceful herds of deer. But one day, he stumbled upon something different. A young deer was caught in a poacher's snare, its body injured and breathing labored. Carefully, Aruna approached the fawn. The little deer looked frightened, but Aruna managed to release the snare, entangling its leg. He carried the fawn home and named it Loro, which means light in the local language. The name was given because Loro's eyes radiated a warmth that reminded Aruna of the morning sun. Loro became Aruna's loyal companion. Together they explored the forest, ran through the meadows, and enjoyed the sounds of nature. Yet amidst this joy, Aruna began to realize the threats facing the forest and the deer herd. Poaching was becoming rampant, endangering the existence of the deer in his village. Aruna knew he had to act. One night, Aruna overheard whispers about a group of hunters planning to capture a herd of deer. He immediately consulted the village head, Mr. Dara, and gathered the villagers to find a solution. Through a spirit of mutual cooperation, they devised a clever strategy. The villagers placed warning signs around the forest, planted thorny bushes along the hunters' entry paths, and started regular patrols in shifts. When the night of the attack arrived, the hunters were surprised by a series of unexpected obstacles. Thorny bushes blocked their way, and the sound of villagers' patrol drums drove them away. The forest and the deer herd were saved. The next day, the deer herd reappeared in the meadow near the village, including Loro, who had fully recovered. The villagers celebrated their victory with a traditional ceremony of gratitude. Furthermore, the village government proposed Daramata as a conservation area to protect the Timor deer and attract tourists. Loro eventually returned to the wild, but the bond between Aruna and the little deer never faded. For Aruna, Loro became a symbol of courage and hope, inspiring him to protect nature with all his might.